Alright, so you've got Substack, but now what? How do you get people to actually read it? Better yet, how do you turn it into a publicity machine for your business? Well, in this video, we're gonna break it down. So first, you're gonna wanna make sure your newsletter is easy to find. So simply pick a name that makes sense. If you're building a personal brand, you might want to use a name. Seriously, it worked for Lenny's newsletter, and that guy makes bank. But if you're going niche, then simply go with something catchy and clear, in order for people to instantly know what you're about. Also, don't skip categories. Substack uses them to help people discover new newsletters, so simply pick the ones that best match your content. Then next, you also want to come up with a great description. So it's basically your sales pitch to potential subscribers. So make it clear, make it compelling, and make sure it explains exactly what they'll get. Now, let's talk about the look and feel. So you don't really need anything fancy, just keep it clean, minimal, and easy to read. So no one is really going to stick around for a cluttered mess. Your homepage should really just have the essentials: a strong about section, an archive, and a simple layout that makes people want to stay. Now, let's talk about promotion. So Substack has built-in discovery, but make sure you don't rely on that alone. So use every platform you've got: Twitter, Medium, YouTube, even Slack or Discord groups. Just make sure to be cool about it. So if your content is really solid, it won't really feel like selling. It'll feel like sharing something valuable. And another great thing to do is networking. So simply get other writers in your niche to recommend you. So the more connections you make, the faster you'll grow. And don't forget engagement. Make sure to end every post with a question or a call to action. So if you get people commenting, liking, and sharing, Substack's algorithm will love you for it. And one last thing, make sure to give freely. So a lot of people hold back, thinking they'll need to charge for every little thing. So if you're constantly giving out valuable content for free, people will start to see you as an authority, and when the time comes to sell something, they will be way more likely to buy. So the bottom line, Substack is a game changer, but only if you use it right. So make sure to set yourself up properly, stay consistent, promote smartly, and actually engage with your audience. Do that, and your business won't just get publicity, it will gain a loyal, growing audience that sticks around. So I hope this was insightful, and if it was, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.